Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series video of Total Quality Management, today's topic is PDCA cycle. What is mean by PDCA cycle? Plan, do, act, study, and act. Plan, do, study, act is a PDSA cycle. In an in an iterative four stages problem solving models used for improving a process or carrying out changes. When using the PDSA cycle, it's important to include internal and external customer. They can provide feedback about what work, what and what doesn't. PDSA cycle, a plan to steady act method, is a way to test a change that is implemented going through the prescribed four steps, guides, and thinking process into breaking down the task into steps and then evaluating the outcomes, improving on it, and testing. So, plan, do, check, act is plan is establishing the objectives and process necessary to deliver results in accordance with the organization's health and safety policy. Do is implement the process. Check is monitor and measure process against health and safety policy, objectives, legal and other requirements. Report the result. Act take actions to continually improve health and safety performance. Where PDSA, which stands for Plan to Check Act, is a four-step project management tool for implementing continuous improvement. It involves systematically testing possible solution, assessing the results, and implementing the ones the work. So PDCA, a quality tool, the popular framework for quality control or the PDCA cycle and the DMAIC method, which both follows a systematic and iterative approach to problem solving and improvement. In this article, you will learn what each framework entails and what are the best tools and techniques for each phases of PDCA and DMAIC. So, plan a change or test aimed at improvement, where do carry out the change or test, preferably on a small scale. Study is examine the result. What did we learn? What went wrong? Adopt is act. Adopt the change, abandon it, and or run through the cycle again. PDSA cycle as 7 steps are: identify the opportunity, analysis the current process, develop the optimal solutions, implement changes, study the results, standardize the solutions, plan for the future. Where PDCA cycle include helps improve organizational process, iterative in nature, reduce cost, correct error, and high profile profits. Where sustain and share the standards are standard consolidated through standardization is PDCA, and PDCA cycle is a continuous improvement for increasing the quality improvement in a given time. Assessment. So PDCA cycle is used for PDCA cycle can be considered as a project planning tool. Which of the following is not a use of a PDCA cycle? To define the problem is a part of which phase of PDCA cycle? To determine the quality, objectives and the critical factors is a part of which phase of PDCA cycle? To generate possible solutions and to select the most feasible solution is a part of which phase of PDCA cycle? It is recommended to try the plan made in the planning phase on a limited scale or conduct the experiment to test the proposed improvement. To train all employees in quality improvement method and techniques is the best of which phase of PDCA cycle? To perform project team that will focus on quality improvement process is a part of which phase of PDCA cycle? Thank you.